Good evening. I'm Colin Richards. Tonight's breaking story. 3 Parkersburg residents lost their lives in a fiery 2-vehicle crash on the Parkersburg Highway. River Jamison and Sally Corman, both age 16, were traveling home from their prom when Eben Marcus, 42, crossed the median, slamming into Jamison's car head-on. Both cars burst into flames, killing all 3 involved. Further information on the story we brought you yesterday, related to the 2-car accident on Parkersburg Highway on Saturday evening, where Eben Marcus crossed the median, killing River Jamison and Sally Corman. Toxicology reports indicate that Eben Marcus had a blood alcohol content of 0.25, 3 times the legal limit to be considered intoxicated in the state of Kentucky. Further investigation has determined that Marcus consumed at least 7 glasses of wine during an 8-hour period at the Bluegrass Bistro. He left the bistro at 8:30 p.m. and proceeded to Mom and Pop's Barbecue Restaurant, where a witness observed him drink a beer and eat half a Stromboli sandwich. When offered a ride home, he refused before leaving about 10:15 p.m. 25 minutes later, Marcus crossed the median of the Parkersburg Highway and hit the teen's car. Both vehicles were engulfed in flames within minutes, killing all 3. The final chapter was written today on the Parkersburg Highway tragedy, when the Bluegrass Bistro agreed to an out-of-court settlement for $21 million in a lawsuit brought by the parents of River Jamison and Sally Corman, who died in the fiery crash. The suit alleged that the restaurant overserved Eben Marcus, a self-employed plumber from Bishop, last May. The overservice of alcohol resulted in his driving while intoxicated and killing himself and the 2 teens, both 16 years old, as they were coming home from their prom. A statement from the attorney representing the bistro said, "This settlement of the case was purely a business decision and should not be construed as an admission of any responsibility on behalf of the restaurant or any of its employees." This is the largest out-of-court settlement awarded in Kentucky for damages against an establishment that served alcohol to customers who later injured or killed others. A separate suit was brought against Mom and Pop's Barbecue Restaurant, who served Marcus after he was showing signs of being overserved. Their insurance also settled out of court for $58,300.